You gonna fight? Come on, let's fight. Bring it on. Yeah, I'm ready to fight ya. Yeah, come on. Give me your best shot. Right here, come on. That's right, come on. Alright, that's right, fuck. Come on. Come on, what you got? See how strong I am? That's right, it's my muscles. My muscles. Yeah. Yeah, see? I can hit that hanging thing, whatever it's called. I'm gonna hit myself too. Bring it on! Come on, bring it on! Come on, yeah, bring it on! Give me your best shot, yo! Yeah, that's right, walk away. Yeah, yeah, I'm the man. I'm the man! Yeah, I am strong. You better not mess. 'Cause I got muscles. And if you wanna come mess with me, I will rough you up. That's right. See my muscles? See them? Yeah. You like them? Hey, you got your tickets to the gun show? That's right, the gun show. You know what? Too close for missiles. I'm switching to guns. Yeah. 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 What are you still looking at? I'm checking out my guns. That's right. Oh. Yeah. What, you still want to see me flex for you? Okay, here we go. Alright. Yeah. Alright. If you want to keep watching this gun show, you need to get more tickets, okay? And the tickets will cost you. You gotta pay for them. Nothing is free. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this gun show. Whoa! Yeah, see? I'm so strong I spaz myself out. That's right. Yeah. Okay, well this has been Corey Joshua, and join me next time for another gun show. See you!
Hello, welcome to another interview with my guest, CJ! Hello, CJ!
Hello!
What are you doing?
Oh, just kind of flexing and stuff.
Why do you need to flex? Oh, really?
Yeah, what I mean to say is, you know, I'm trying to work out these muscles.
Really? I mean, really?
Yeah, and so I, you know, want to get stronger so that people can see that, excuse me, excuse me, that I am a strong man.
You're not a man yet. You're a baby.
Yeah? Well, you're a puppet.
Hey, don't make fun to me.
Don't make fun to you. Okay. Well, anyway, you wanna, like, fight or something?
What? Why do you have to be so violent?
Because, I don't know. Okay, well, anyway, I'm, kind of looking at my hand right now because it's so cool. And I like to rub my face sometimes because I am tired or something.
Okay. Well, Thank you for sharing. And I hope you continue to flex well.
Yeah, alright. I think I'm tired.
Okay, good night. Good night.